Hey friends, I am getting ready to work on this fantastic sketch from the Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round 5. And that is the one I'm working on right now. When I'm crafting, I'll go ahead and put it about right here so that you don't have to see my mouse and all that kind of stuff. And the kit I am using is from my paper pad series, my number 24 kit. And it's kind of cool. I've got kind of this tone-on-tone mustard. I have this really nice light aqua with silver X's on it. And I have a great looking, this is so awesome, which I think this will be my background. This is a grid and it's going from a mustard yellow to like a nice deep tomato soup color on a diagonal. So that is gorgeous. The flat alpha that I have to go with it is this set by Amy Tangerine's, their Remarks, and I don't think I've ever used it, and I've had it since the dawn of time. I did pick it up at Tuesday morning at least. Now, with that in mind, I've got a pile of goodies here because I also included the whole book that I have here of the Paige Evans Whimsical Sticker Book. It's well used, but I just included it all. And then all these little bits and pieces that I have on the side. So, and let me show you. The photo I'm going to use is this one right here of my youngest daughter, Ryan. She was getting ready to use this piece of equipment in a workout, and I just played with the filter a little bit. The reason I play with the filter a little bit is because I already scrapbooked a layout with these, out of this day, and I did not filter it, so I thought I'd have a little bit of fun with it. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the voiceover bit. So let me apologize super quick. I already went ahead and did a nice portion of this layout. The reason why I lost some of the footage is because for some reason iMovie's been really wonky. I think that internet is being massively overloaded right now with the state of the world. So what I did is I did follow along with the sketch like you can see. I just flipped the sketch because my daughter's face, head, whatever, was facing towards the left. So I cut out a block of the yellow. I matted my photo in the aqua, and that bright color, really skinny strip that you see running behind those papers, that was from the branding strip. Now the little word paper that you see that says, I love you in all kinds of different languages, that was in the scraps from my pattern paper, from my paper pad series scraps. And I liked bringing in a little bit of the black and white with this. So there's that. I did go ahead and use some of my random washi in a couple places on this page. I've really been working hard to get that used up. And let's see, there's banner pieces. There's that really bold semicircular one below the photo. That's by Vicki Boutin. And, oh gosh, who makes the one that looks like gumdrops? I have them on two. I see, that is by Illustrated Faith. And I had 4 of them for some reason. I have no idea how I got so many of the same die cuts. The letter stickers right there are Amy Tan ones, and I'm going to build out my title. Now, let's see, my photo is popped up on Fun Foam, and then that large circle that says someday it will all make sense, that's also popped up on Fun Foam. I really liked bringing in a round element in all of these squared off shapes. And, it is picking that up as well in the sketch, some of those circles with all of those strong geometric kind of shapes. I popped up that little pink sentiment at the top, that Illustrated Faith one at the top on a little Fun Foam. So there is that. I snuck in that little black bow to the bottom right of the layout, bringing in a really nice strong black. And that's what you pretty much missed out on. The word fun on the upper left little cluster that I have there, that's on Fun Foam, but everything else in that cluster is currently flat. And those 3 pattern papers that you see there are the same 3 pattern papers that I used behind my photo. The only difference in being is I did use my ticket punch to punch out the little word stickers I'm sorry, the little word pattern paper next to the word fun. I absolutely love a grid for putting on titles. I mean, I don't have to have my T-square ruler out or anything. So, and I didn't know how cool those letters were, that they don't have that strong black outline. They give you a nice bit of shine, and yeah, they're a lot more subtle than I thought. So I have a feeling we'll be seeing those a lot more coming up. The only problem with them is the colored ones are almost neon. We'll see how that goes. All right, so these are My Mind's Eye little sticker pieces. You remember that collection that had like the llama that looked like it was at Cinco de Mayo? Those right there. You saw them for 1 second. Anywho, colors worked. They went on, and it's bringing attention to the title as well. I'm going to see what pieces will work from this little whimsical collection of this little sticker book. And, let me tell you a little bit about why I dig these kits that are in my paper pad series. I use all these little bits and pieces that have kind of been ignored, or they just didn't make their way onto other layouts. So I've really been enjoying seeing a lot of these kind of old school products come back to life. Really, really like it. And I do know a lot of people are interested in the next round of my paper pad series, and that is coming. I'm clearly have a lot of time at home right now with the self-isolation kind of stuff that we're doing. So and I'm filming this a few weeks ahead of time, just so you know. I'm not sure where things will be on April 12th. Anywho, so I do have another round of building kits coming, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm getting my ideas so that I know what's what and I can bring it to you shortly. I found this cute little gold heart in that sticker book as well, and I thought that could have a place at the very top of my layout, the top of that little branding strip. And how awesome is that I got a branding strip on? I am not great about doing that. So that was cool, and it gave me just enough color in, that tied a bunch of those colors together that I was digging it. Now these little dots that I'm using a little adhesive on, those are from Pink Fresh Studio, and they don't really have much oomph anymore. I have all these leftover little gems in my tray that I keep of leftover embellishments, and I'm just going to use up this whole strip on this layout and bring your eye here and there around. I think these are old school Heidi Swapp gems. I'm talking like back in the day. Let's say early 2000s. And they are just as sticky as when I got them. So that is awesome. So I'm going to sprinkle them around and bring a little bit of this deeper pink in. So I hope you like what I did today. Thanks once again to Christy for being so kind as to let me be a part of this series. And I am doing my best to keep up with it. I think it's incredible that she can come out with 30 layouts in a month. That is absolutely awesome. All right, friends, I will see you ever so soon. This is more of a close-up of this layout, and I'll be back hopefully tomorrow. Actually, yes, I have planned on another layout tomorrow. See you soon. Bye.